Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be getting into my updated base routine. A lot has changed, let's just say that. I'm literally kind of in a rush today, so we're just gonna go and dive right in. I'm using the Porefessional today. I'm not gonna lie to you, I haven't used this primer in about a year, but I kind of tried this out again and I love it. Like, I forgot how much I love that primer. I wanted to play around with the eyeshadow today, so I don't know how I'm feeling about it. We're gonna see how the full look turns out, but it's definitely something. It's definitely creative. It has been so rainy and like nasty here in LA. It is literally so depressing. Like, I don't know why the weather affects my mood so much. I just went ahead and mixed some of these two concealers in the back of my hand. These are the Tarte C Primer Flex Concealer, and they're in the shade Tan Deep Neutral and Light Medium. So basically, I'm just going in with a concealer in the little areas where I need more help. Trying out a new sponge today. This is from Tuhlz. She's Dominican too, the owner, so she sent it to me. I honestly found the shape of it so interesting, and it's actually blending. Hold up, hold on. Like, it's melting everything in and it's barely taking anything. I'm highlighting my face a little bit more because I barely slept last night, so I feel like I need just a little bit of brightness, something to make me look a little bit awake. So to set my face, I use two powders. For my under eyes, I love the Beauty Creations by Filter in Butternut Babe. This one is my all-time favorite. Just look at that shade. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's like a peachy pink kind of color. This powder puff is sickening, guys. Oh my god, I wish you guys could see this in person. This one is from Tuhlz too. It is just the softest thing ever. Oh my god, this mixed with this powder, oh yeah, this is gonna be it for me. Wow, 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 wow. I am fucking shook right now. And 10 out of 10. For the rest of my face, I like to go in with the Rare Beauty powder in Light Medium. This one is just my perfect shade, especially when I'm tan. I go in with the Huda Beauty, the big sponge. This one doesn't leave like a white cast. It just kind of tans and sets everything up. Rare Beauty is just one of those brands where I literally love almost every product. They are killing it right now. And Selena Gomez just became the most followed woman on Instagram. That bitch is everything. I love her. I'm gonna take two powders now. So I just kind of tap both of them like this and just go on the outer part of my face. If there's any harsh lines at all, this will get rid of that. Bomb. I'm gonna take the Deep Baked and a small pencil brush and just kind of go on the sides of my nose. I don't really do it as dark as I used to because I feel like I used to literally draw a fucking brand new nose. But now I try to keep it a little bit more on the natural side. I cannot stop baking. Like, I feel like this step is definitely necessary. Why does that always make me sneeze? Every time. Starr Cosmetics cinnamon powder, which is this one. I already told you guys and put you guys on game with these powders. They just melt into your skin, and honestly the shades are to die for. Like, he did that with these. Now, to really intensify my cheekbones, I'm gonna go in with the Starr Hot Sugar. I hit pan on this, so you already know how I feel about this one. It is just like the perfect shade. It is so pretty in person. I love it. Now, without adding anything to that brush that we used for powder earlier, I'm just gonna tap it along the cheeks just to make sure that everything is blended. Now for blush. I spoke about this in my last video, but this blush right here, thank you for the dupes that you guys recommended, by the way. I looked them up. I looked up the Benefit one. I forgot the name. I think it's Butterfly, and it does kind of look like this. But if you have any more suggestions about this blush that could look like this, please let me know. This one is going only on the outer part of the cheeks. Look at this blush. Just look at this. So pretty. This is the Haus Dragon Fruit Days. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I'm also gonna add a little bit to the temples. I'm gonna go in with another blush, which is the ColourPop Desert Rose. This one is literally just to make sure that everything is blended in. It gives you that like baby doll kind of innocent look. I'm gonna take my Flawless Finish #2 powder and just kind of press in that baking powder at the same time. This is really going to brighten that under eye and just make everything look super flawless and seamless. I am really obsessed with this powder puff, guys. Like, oh, it's so good. This eye makeup kind of ate today, I'm not gonna lie. It looks really fucking sickening. Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. It gives this super pretty like bronzy glow, so I'm just gonna go ahead like this. I like more of a setting spray that has a little glow to it, like the Rare Beauty one. It brings like a natural glow, but this highlighter right here is so pretty because it's not doing too much, you know. That is one thing I still love to do, is just highlight the heck out the forehead. I just feel like it just makes everything look dewy. Look at this. This is all I have left from this setting spray. Oh, this is the Rare Beauty, and I'm literally going to bathe in this. This is why it's empty, because I love to go in with this. It just brings such a natural glow. Like, look at that. If it gets too oily like this or like too dewy, I just take whatever's left on my powder puff and just dab it. That's pretty much all I do. It's a pretty simple kind of routine. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.